future of restorative yoga, the trend. I often consider this and have been having lots of conversation with different people, and the world needs it. In one short sentence, can you imagine, even before we continue talking, can you imagine a world where everyone practice one shavasana a day? What would that look like? So I've been practicing and teaching restorative yoga for the past 20 years. I've definitely seen an uptrend of restorative yoga uptake and more recognition of restorative yoga in studio schedules, in the demand of what people need and want. It is not quite still mainstream, like dynamic movement-based yoga classes on the schedule, but it's definitely increasing. So, for example, used to be when I would only see one class, I would only teach one class in the studio that week, like one class a week. Now I'm probably seeing at least one, if not two classes a day on a busy studio schedule. So there's definitely more people who are interested and recognizing, but it's people understanding the work, or probably acknowledging, having the courage and humility to actually step in and lie down and do nothing.